Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I will show you how you can use one prompt to make money online, live inside Heaven. So I'm just going to be using this idea generator to start this because I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Okay? So I'm just going to click on generate ideas and I'm going to close my history panel. So I'm just going to be copying and pasting for the sake of this video, so I won't take your time. Okay, so I will hear that I want monetizable content ideas for creators, product goals, and high-value lead magnets. I want 4 ideas. For each idea, I want revenue model, sale, course, affiliate, 1P offline, and a quick content to product path. Are you seeing how detailed I was with this? This is how detailed you need to be so that it gives you exactly what you want. And I'm just going to click on generate ideas. So I'm just going to wait patiently. Here today, I just want ideas to actually lead to products or sale, right? I'll pick one and do a short sales video script with whatever they actually create. Okay? So we're going to wait patiently for you to generate. Okay, so I already done. So today I'm going to show you a path from content to money. Today we're going to be talking business, okay? How to start making money online, okay? So as you can see, it gave us step by step. You know, we told it to give us based on product, based on course, based on affiliates. So product, ready-made video template packs for creators. This is what we're going to be selling, okay? Ready-made video template packs. Type tutorial plus quick tips. So in this ready-made video template, you're going to be giving tutorial and quick tips. Pay offline, make polished videos in 10 minutes. No design skill needed. So this is just like a hook or something like that. But this will actually make people want to pay for the course. That's why it's saying pay offline. Hook I filmed this in 3 takes. Then I used one template and it looked pro. Content to product path. Post a short tutorial showing how you turn raw footage into a finished script with one template. Also, share a before and after split screen to prove the change. Offer one free template as a sample to download because you always need to free samples for people to actually be interested to see, for people to actually see what you're capable of. Then link to the full template pack for sale and show more examples so that people can actually buy other examples, right? So this is the product. So we're going to go through the course. Launch a paid offer in 30 days of creators course. Type behind the scenes plus personal story. Pay offline, build and sell your first paid product step by step in 1 month. If I see this, actually, I'm very interested though, and I would love to pay. Like, honestly speaking, hook idea, I launched this in 30 days and made my first $5,000. This money right here is really catchy, right? Here's exactly what I did. Then content to product path, which I spoke about that I was going to share with you all. Post daily, right? Short clips of your work for 1 week showing real progress. That is going to direct you on what to post. Secondly, when you feel live workshop that teaches 1 key step from the course. That's what most people do, right? All digital creators I know, they do this. Share testimonials from early students in quick videos. Then open enrollment with a clear start date and a short sales video. Okay, so you can see the next one, affiliates. Honest gear and app kits for creators. So this is for people that you want to actually get access to your course, okay? It's an affiliate link. Type trending comparison plus tutorial. Pay offline, pick tools that save you time and make better content without guessing. I love the pay offline, really. It's really nice. Then the hook idea, I tested clean mics. Only one was worth the money. I will show you which content, or rather I will show you which. Then content to product part. Number 1, post short comparisons of 2 or 3 products, showing sound or image results. Then publish a pinned post or page with a labeled gear and exact links. Thirdly, make a tutorial that shows setup and tips for each recommended item. Lastly, earn affiliate income when people buy through the links. So this is how you make money. Affiliate is one very big way to make money out there. Okay, so when you have your products, always share affiliate links. Fourth, high value lead magnets. Swipe file. 100 ready captions plus 3 posting calendars. Free lead magnets that leads to sales. Type quick tips plus templates. Pay offline. Never stare at a blank caption again and get a month of posted plan. Of post planned. Book idea. Steal my 30 captions. For instance, post this week. I use this every time. So people actually be interested in getting this caption because you use it to make money. Okay? Content to product bar. Post short clips showing 3 captions used with different posts and their result. Secondly, offer the full swipe file free in exchange for an email. Okay? So you're getting people's emails so you can actually maybe do your email marketing, because when you keep doing email marketing, people get drawn to you. Send the follow-up email sequence with extra tips and a small paid offer. This is actually to also, you can do this. People can do email marketing whether in educational style, whether for sales style. Like if you want to educate people, you send email marketing. If you actually want people to get your product, of course, you can also do that by adding other things below, like some paid offers. So lastly, track which captions convert best and turn them into a paid bundle later on. So as you can see, it gave us exactly what we wanted. It gave us 4, which is rare. And you won't see anything out there that will give you this detail and tell you step by step on how to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and we're going to go straight to the hook generator. But honestly, I don't think we need hooks because it already directed us here. Okay, it already gave us hook. That is why I love ideas so much. It gives you everything you want, basically. But if you want a caption, you can Google. You don't need caption to actually start your post, okay? So next up now, what we're going to do is going to be very easy. We're going to go to the script generator to actually generate scripts using all of this, okay? I'm just going to click back. So I'm just going to click on the script generator and I'm going to paste my idea so it generates scripts for me. So today, right, of course, when you are doing all this as a digital creator, you need a talking head video when you're talking straight to the camera. I'm just going to put this off, okay? So you always go for a talking head video. Unlike me that I always do screen recording. Even right now I'm on screen recording. So I'm going to go for a talking head video. We're going to click it, right? And I'm going to paste in our ideas and we'll tell it to generate a script for us. So now it has been generated. So what we're going to write now is going to be very clear, okay? So right here, we're going to write something simple. We're going to like turn this idea into a clear 90, or you can use any second you want, 90-second scripts. So here, when I posted this, what I also want is for you to give a call to action. Okay, now I told you that you always need to be very detailed. Give clear call to actions for each idea type. Okay? So this is how we're going to be doing this. I'm showing you clearly how you can do this. Nikki, you copy from your idea, you can paste it and you can write whatever you want it to do with the idea. Okay? So now that I've pasted it, I wrote 90 seconds. This 90 seconds I'm going to use and do anything. But I'm going to specify right now what I want, okay? And that's what I'm going to do. So just look at the screen and look at how I want to do it. 10 seconds for opening. 40 seconds for value, because the value needs to take more time. For value, stroke demo. Okay? So next up now, and lastly, 80 seconds. I'm just going to keep it at 30 seconds of product offer. Okay? And pricing. And I already said a call to action, a one-line call to action, okay? I already wrote call to action at the beginning of this, okay? But for everything, this is what I'm going to do. So you need to be very specific. Then I'm just going to click on generate and I'm going to see how this will do everything for us instantly. Okay, so like I've already given it, the idea gave us the hook, gave us everything we needed. So this one will structure it for us. So to structure it for us, because I want a clear offer and price at the end, no fluffing. So I'm going to wait patiently for it to generate, and I'm going to see how well it does. This can take some time because it has to give you actually what you need and what you deserve. So I'm going to, be very patient here. Okay? So now you can see it has been generated. Patience is key. Okay, it's gonna be patience. Nah, don't come here. Don't deserve good ideas. So format talking head video. As you saw, I didn't say I wanted a talking head video, did I? But here it noted I wanted a talking head video because I clicked on talking head video. That is why it is very important. So hook, one tutorial, I filmed this in 3 takes. Then I used one template and it looked pro. That is the hook that the idea actually gave us. If you wanted a different idea, you can copy that idea and paste it to the hook and it will give you different types of hooks, okay? So context, in 90 seconds, I will show the before and after. Give a free example and show the 4 ways you can get this work done fast. I said how from ideas to making money, from ideas to profits. You won't see this anywhere. Main point, say this. So it's going to tell us what to say. Right? Start with the raw clip. I drop one template on it. I tweak current settings. Now watch the finished clip. Split screen, raw on the left, finished on the right. So it's telling us what to do. Actually, it's telling us what to do, step by step. Okay, so on the left side will be the raw video, and on the right side will be the clearer video. Emphasis is telling us emphasize the fact that I said 1 template and 10 minutes. Because you're going to explain it, then you're going to show it on camera. Then 2 ready-made templates pack. Grab 1 free sample template to try. The full pack is $29 and include more styles and presets. Emphasis. He said you should emphasize on free sample and $29. So it's going to tell you what to say. It's going to tell you what to emphasize on. Okay. Then the next one, which is for course, build and launch. So this is what you want to say. Build and launch a paid product in 30 days. I used to know this will grab a lot of attention. I launched mine and made my first $5,000. Price for the course is $199 and enrollment opened soon. Emphasis, it says we should emphasize on the 30 days because it's very able to emphasize on this. Okay? Because if you emphasize that you can do all this under 1 month, people will be very interested because people think this will take a while and it won't. People think it might take up to 3 months and it won't. So emphasis, we should emphasize on say 30 days and step by step. Number 4, affiliate gear kits. I tested 3 mics and the apps I actually used. Exact models and link are in the pinned posts. Are you saying? So it's telling us exactly what we should say. Prices are shown on the page. Emphasis, say only one was worth the money. So that if they say only one was worth the money, they will only want to check out that. And you give them the exact links. Or rather on free swipe file, which the idea generator also gave us. But as I said, if you don't want such hooks, you can change it. 100 Reddit captions, 3 posting calendars. Get it free by entering your email. Use it to plan a month of posts. Okay? So when people see this, they will actually want something easier and something that they can use to plan a month. Emphasis, say free and 1 month planned. Okay? Because whenever anyone see free, they are very drawn to it. I'm also drawn to free things. That is just how life is. CTA, choose one action right now. Download the free template sample. Join the course quickly. Check the gear list in the pinned post or grab the caption swipe file. Links are in the post and the first comment. Optional clues is giving us something we can say, or if you don't want, you can use it. Pick one and start today. Make a pro video in 10 minutes, and which is really good. I love when it gives optional tips. As you can see, this is a ready to make thing. Like you can just take this and start making your videos, start earning money online, and that is how you can actually make money using Halo. You can actually make money using Halo. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video because I did. So this is how you can turn your ideas into sales. This is how you can turn a product into sales. This is how you can actually make money online. It's going to tell you step by step. It's going to give you the ideas. It's going to make the script for you. It's going to do everything for you. You just have to make sure that you follow it and do the necessary things you need to do, because you have to do some things on your path. Okay? So on to the next. Hope you are able to use this for your own well-being, and you'll be able to use this to actually make money. Okay? You can get your niche. You can start making money online. You need guidance. You need help. You can start using Haven. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was very helpful to you. See you in the next video.